Hello, everyone. Robert Blackman, one of your customer success coaches here at Bright. Wanted to share with you guys some fields, some tips here on something you want to add to your search so that you're ready for a buyer that you're likely to encounter. Buyers today, there's a lot of buyers that are looking for green energy or renewable energy sources. So here's some tips on some things you want to add to your search fields as a proactively, so you're ready when you come across a client that's looking for some of those features. So that this way you know where they are. So what I wanted to share with you is when you're going into your search category, we'll go in right here. We're in residential sales search. We want to go all the way to the bottom of the page. And down at the bottom of the page, you'll see there's an ability to add additional fields. And what you can do is click on add and remove. And once you do that, you'll see the additional available fields that you have available to add to your search. The particular ones we're going to pay attention today to today is green energy generation. That's going to be one you want to make sure you add green energy and generation. Next thing we'll want to make sure we go in here is type in putting in our heating fuel. So we'll add that. And then the next one I would suggest, at least commonly come across today, is parking features. So the three fields I'm suggesting you add today into your search fields is green energy generation, heating fuel, and parking features. Now, once we go back, you'll see these are now at the bottom of the page. These will be here every time you do a search in the future. So anytime when you're ready to use it, or if you need it, it's there. You'll know exactly which ones you're looking for. Now, why are we adding these? Let me show you. So a couple things that you might notice: green energy generation. A lot of people are asking about solar panels. All right. So they want to look for properties that have solar panels. So you'll see those listed as EV photovoltaic solar arrays. They'll be either leased or owned. So you'll see these in here so you can search for those or search multiple of these if you wanted to. You can select several of these just by holding down the control button as you select those. You'll see here for heating fuel, commonly people are asking about geothermal, all right, renewable energy, geothermal. So that's one that you'll commonly see as well. And then for parking features, you're going to see in here, you see all the different types of different driveway descriptions here. But one of the things you'll see in there is electric vehicle charging station. That's a common one people ask about. So parking features is where you're going to find that. So those are three fields, like I said, I suggest adding. There are many great fields. These are three that do come up often for things that people are searching for when they're looking for renewable energy. So, like I said, proactively add those to your search fields now, so you have them when you're ready. When you need to search those, you don't have to search through the system to find them. Here they are. Take care, everyone.